Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about something serious, something super serious, which is how to ask for permission to get married to someone's daughter in Japanese. So you're probably only going to say this one time in your entire life, and so you probably should know the sentence pattern pretty well. So if you're ready, let's learn it. 綾菜さんを幸せにします。綾菜さんと結婚させてください。The first sentence, Ayana-san o shiawase ni shimasu, literally means Ayana, happy, make or will make. So you're saying, I will make your daughter happy, which is a really nice and friendly way to open a conversation. So sentence 2, we're going to be learning how to actually literally ask for permission to marry his daughter. So you would say, Ayana-san to kekkon sasete kudasai. Ayana-san to kekkon sasete kudasai, which literally means Ayana and me marry, please allow me to. When you put it all together, it sounds like this. Ayana-san o shiawase ni shimasu. Ayana-san to kekkon sasete kudasai. Onegai, oto-san. Thank you so much. Make sure that you practice and practice and practice. If you do use this in real life, we would love to hear what your experience is, so make sure that you leave a comment below telling us how it went. Did your father-in-law buy you a house? Did he give you a giant hug? What happened? So thanks so much for spending time with us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.